Are you seeing the message WhatsApp could not start? Please restart your iPhone if the problem continues on your iPhone. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue step by step. Let's not waste any time and dive right in. Start by restarting your iPhone. If the problem still persists after that, follow the advanced solutions I'll share next. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Change date and time. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap Date and Time. Make sure that Set Automatically is enabled. Solution 4. Update the WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see Update option available there, then update the app. Check your issue to see whether it is resolved. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved. I hope your issue is resolved. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.